For birders, the best thing I can say to do is to get out into the world and start looking for birds. The best thing is to work with people who are experienced, who can find and identify those birds that would be harder for you to find without the experience.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3! Woo!
Group trips, I think, are really wonderful because you can see a lot of birds and you get a sense of what's out there in your vicinity. And then you can learn to identify them in a better manner, and then you can go out on your own.
And you can see from the map that they're just right along the coast.
We learned how to use
type of habitat was the riparian. Total individuals counted 1,076.
This is Rosa. Rosa's been with us for about a year and a half. She's a beautiful peregrine falcon and quite a relaxed one.
I just wanted to say thank you to all the instructors and group leaders for making this awesome event. And this is where we got started birding, and it's awesome. So thank you.